touch of race number 3. Gates open, they're up and racing. Dugos Fantasy, the favorite, draws for your lead. Touch of Gold moving up to take second by the rail. Action Sailor moving up is Raon. Then comes Flying G running second last, Alleluia, while Compelled to Lead is now running at the tail of the field, heading towards the half-mile pole with Raon now leading the field. Dugos Fantasy is running in second by the rail. Racing now in third, Action Sailor. Touch of Gold down in fourth, down in fifth. Flying G second last, Compelled to Lead, while Alleluia now racing in behind them. Rounding at the 600 with Raon still leading the field. Dugos Fantasy, the favorite, is running in second by the rail. Then racing in third still is Action Sailor as they swing for home. Raon running on the outside. Dugos Fantasy, the favorite, once again takes charge for the lead. And down the stretch they come. Dari Enriquez de Ocampo on Dugos Fantasy is running by the rail. Raon with John Alvin Gusay on the outside. Dugos Fantasy, Raon is on the outside. Dugos Fantasy and Raon. Dugos Fantasy over Raon, and finally the favorite Dugos Fantasy winning over Raon. Then comes Action Sailor, number 3 Touch of Gold, Flying G, Compelled to Lead, and Alleluia comes in last.